We welcome all of you students in our English online classes. Students, yesterday we had told you the first rule to change into indirect space. Today we will read the second rule to change into direct space. Students, if the reporting verb is in past tense to change into indirect space, it is the second rule. If the reporting verb is in past tense to change into indirect space, all of you know that if the reporting verb is in past tense, if the reporting verb is in past tense, we use the following rules. First, the tense of reported space changes. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of reported space changes. The nearest following words also changes. The nearest following words also changes. The persons also changes. You will try, you will see the video very carefully and concentrate your whole mind upon your subject. Loving students, total tense changes. If the tense of reported space is in present indefinite tense, if the tense of reported space is in present indefinite tense, we change it into past indefinite tense. In this way, total present indefinite tense changes into past indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense changes into past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense changes into past continuous tense. Present continuous tense changes into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. Present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Students, if the tense of reported space is in present indefinite tense, do or does change into did. Do or does change into did. If the reported space is in past indefinite tense, did. If the reported space is in present continuous tense, present continuous tense is am change into was were. Is am change into was were. In this way, if the reported space is in present perfect tense, present perfect tense have, present perfect tense have change into had. Students, you will change present perfect tense into past perfect tense. Total present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. If the reported space is in present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Has been, had been, have been changed into had been. Do does change into did, is a mark change into was were, has changed into had, has been have been change into had been. In this way, you will change present tense into past tense. We can say that total present tense changes into that past tense. Students, you will learn it. Total present tense changes into past tense. Present indefinite tense changes into past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense changes into past continuous tense. Is am changed into was where. Have changed into had. Has been have been. Has been have been changed into had been. In this way, we can say that total present tense changes into that past tense. Students, if the reported space is in past tense, if the reported space is in past tense, did changes into had, was where changed into had been, was changed into had been, had no changes. Had no changes. Had been no changes. In this way, you see that past indefinite tense changes into past perfect tense. Past indefinite tense changes into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Past continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense no changes. Past perfect tense no changes. Had changes into had no changes. Had been no changes. It will be the same. Had no changes. It will be the same. Had been no changes. It will be the same. In this way, did changes into had, was where change into had been, had no changes, had been no changes. Now we can say that past indefinite tense changes into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. past perfect no changes, past perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense, had been no changes. You will learn future tense. 11th students, you will learn future tense. Future indefinite helping verb will fail. Future indefinite helping verb will fail if the reported space is in present future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense changes into would or should. Would or should. Will shall change. Now we can say that will changes into would, shall changes into should. Will shall change into would or should. Will changes into would, shall changes into should. But you have to write would or should according to the subject. Will changes into would, shall changes into should. But you have to write would or should according to the subject. Loving students, if the reported space is in will be or shall be, future continuous tense. Students, future continuous tense will be shall be, helping verb will be shall be. You will change will be shall be into would be should be. Students, will be shall be changed into would be should be. Will shall change into would or should. In this way, will be shall be changed into would be or should be. You have to write would be or should be according to the subject. With first person, all of you know that we use shall with only first person. We use will with second and third person. So we have to use would or should, would be or should be according to the subject. Students, learn it that we always use should with first person I and we. We use would with second or third person you, he, she, noun and they. We use should be with I and we. We use should be with I and we. First person. We use would be with second person or third person. Further, future perfect tense will have, shall have, will have, shall have. Students, you know about helping verb. Will have, shall have. Will have, shall have change into would have, or should have. Will have, shall have change into would have or should have. Will have changes into would have, shall have changes into should have. Learn it. Will have changes into would have, shall have change into should have. We can say that will have, shall have change into would have or should have. But we use should have with only first person. We use should have with only first person. We use would have with second person or third person. Further, future perfect continuous tense helping verb will have been, and shall have been, will have been and shall have been. Students, learn it. Future perfect continuous tense helping verb will have been, shall have been. You will change will have been into would have been. Would have been. You will change shall have been into should have been. Students, we change will have been into would have been, shall have been into should have been. In this way, future perfect continuous tense changes into would have been or should have been. We hope that you will learn it very attentively. It is the table of your tense. Students, repeat it one more. Future infinite tense helping verb will shall change into would or should, will shall change into would or should. Future continuous tense helping verb will be shall be changed into would be or should be. Future perfect tense helping verb will have, shall have changed into would have or should have. Future perfect continuous tense will have been, shall have been helping verb will have been, shall have been changes will have been changes into would have been, shall have been changes into should have been. Learn it very attentively. In this way we can say that total future perfect tense changes into that future past tense. Will shall change into would or should, will be shall be change into would be should be, will have shall have change into would have should have, will have been shall have been change into would have been and should have been. It is the table of tense for changing. Students, you have to change the tense of reported speech in this way. प्यारे शिष्यों, ग्रामर के जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट हैं आप उन्हें बराबर याद करते रहिए। इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट जब आप याद रखेंगे तो आपको हर चीज़ बड़ी आसानी से याद हो जाएगी, एक क्लैरिटी रहेगी और आपका माइंड हर पॉइंट पर बना रहेगा। सेकंड पॉइंट जो है इस पे नियरेस्ट शोइंग वर्ड है। इस वर्ड में आप सुने होंगे अपने इनडायरेक्ट में, डायरेक्ट स्पीच में नजदीकी बताने वाले शब्द आते हैं। नजदीकी बताने वाले शब्दों को हम दूरी बताने वाले शब्दों में बदलते हैं। नजदीकी बताने वाले शब्दों को हम लोग नियरेस्ट शोइंग वर्ड्स बोलते हैं। नजदीकी बताने वाले शब्दों को नियरेस्ट शोइंग वर्ड्स बोलते हैं और जो दूरी बताने वाले शब्द होते हैं हम उन्हें डिस्टेंस शोइंग वर्ड्स बोलते हैं। तो आप जानते हैं हम जब भी डायरेक्ट सेंटर बनाते हैं नजदीकी बताने वाले शब्दों को हम लोग दूरी बताने वाले शब्दों बदल देते हैं। ये सब कुछ तभी पॉसिबल होगा जब आपकी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में हो सेड हो। स्टूडेंट्स इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन पास्ट टेंस, इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन पास्ट टेंस वी चेंज नियरेस्ट शोइंग वर्ड्स into distance showing words. We give example of it. This changes into that. If the reported speech has this a word this, you will change this into that. These changes into those, these changes into those, hence changes into them, either changes into either, here changes into there, come changes into go। पास आने के लिए कम का नो चेंज करते हैं। जब अपने पास आने की बात हो शिष्यों तो कम का कम ही रहता है, लेकिन अगर अपने पास आने की बात ना हो तो कम चेंजेज इनटू गो। जस्ट नाउ, जस्ट चेंजेज इनटू देन, नाउ चेंजेज इनटू देन, just changes into then, now changes into then, but just now changes into just then. In this way changes into in that way. So changes into that. In this way we can change these words into those words. Learn it very attentively. This changes into that. These changes into those. Hence changes into them. Either changes into either. Here changes into there, come changes into go, just changes into then, now changes into then, just now changes into just then. This way changes into that way, in this way changes into in that way, so changes into that. In this way you can change these words into those words to change into indirect speech. If the reported speech is in past tense, you will change it in those words. Students, there are some words you know about today. Today is a nearest foreign word, so today changes into that day. If the reported speech has today, you will change it into that day. Tonight changes into that night. Students, learn it. Tonight changes into that night. In this way, yesterday is also nearest foreign word. Yesterday changes into the previous day. If needed following last changes into previous, such as last night changes into previous night, last Sunday changes into previous Sunday, last month changes into previous month, last year changes into previous year. Learn it. Today changes into that day, tonight changes into that night, yesterday changes into previous day or the day before, the day before. Last month, last year, last Sunday, Monday, last, only last, you will change only last into previous, such as last year changes into previous year, last month changes into previous month, last Sunday changes into previous Sunday. In this way you can use these words into that words. You will change these words, you will change these words into that words to make an indirect space. Students, there are some words. Learn it as tomorrow. Tomorrow changes into the next day. Tomorrow changes into the next day. Students, learn it. Tomorrow changes into the next day. Next day changes into the following day. Next day changes into the following day. Further, next Sunday, next month, next year. There are some words like it. You will change it into following Sunday or following month or following year. Students, learn it. Next Sunday changes into following Sunday, next month changes into following month, next year changes into following year. In this way, we want to say that you will change only next, you will change only next into the following. Rest will be the same. Tomorrow changes into the next day changes into the following day, next changes into following. So next Sunday changes into following Sunday, next month or year changes into following month or following year. These are the tables to change into indirect space. Students, learn it. Learn these tables very carefully to make a sentence in indirect space. Students, today we have taught you the table of tense, the table of nasal flowing words to change into indirect space. Students, it is the second rule. If the reporting verb is in past tense, said to change into indirect space. We have taught you the table of tense, the table of nasal flowing words. You will learn it very attentively. Persons, you should know about persons. There are three persons. There are three persons. Students, learn it very soon. there are three persons, first person, second person, third person. First person has I and me, object me, us, possessive case my, mine, our, ours. Second person has only you, object you, possessive case yours, your or yours. Third person has he, she, noun and they, he, she, noun and they, object him, her, it, them. In this way you will change the person according to the subject. Students, person is changed but according to the subject. You had heard yesterday that first person changes according to the subject of reporting verb, second person changes according to the object of reporting verb, and third person no changes. So it is your duty to remember it, to learn it very attentively and concentrate your whole mind upon this subject. If you learn it honestly, you will prepare your course very well. Thank you.